As the gentle warmth of spring arrives, Easter becomes the perfect moment to refresh your home with cozy seasonal charm. Rustic Easter decor captures the beauty of nature, simplicity, and warmth, making any home feel inviting and peaceful. The best part is that creating this look does not require a big budget. With a little creativity and thoughtful choices, you can transform everyday items into stunning Easter decorations that celebrate spring beautifully. Decorating for Easter does not have to be expensive to be impressive. Rustic decor thrives on natural materials, vintage textures, and handcrafted touches, which makes it ideal for budget-friendly decorating. Items like old baskets, wooden crates, mason jars, and burlap can easily be repurposed. By focusing on charm rather than perfection, you can create a warm and welcoming Easter atmosphere that feels authentic and personal. One of the easiest ways to welcome Easter into your home is with a beautiful rustic wreath. Instead of buying an expensive store-bought piece, try making one using grapevine branches, dried flowers, twigs, and faux greenery. Adding a few pastel eggs or a small burlap bough instantly gives the wreath an Easter touch. This simple DIY project can create a stunning first impression on your front door. Old wooden crates are perfect for rustic Easter decorating. Stack them on a table, shelf, or entryway corner to create a layered display. Fill the crates with moss, small plants, decorative eggs, or ceramic bunnies. Because wooden crates already have that farmhouse charm, they instantly bring a cozy rustic feeling while keeping the overall decoration inexpensive and stylish. Mason jars are a classic staple in rustic decorating, and they work beautifully for Easter centerpieces. Simply fill them with fresh flowers, baby's breath, or faux spring blooms. Wrapping twine or burlap around the jar adds texture and charm. Arrange several jars together on a tray or wooden board to create a simple yet stunning table centerpiece that looks elegant and handmade. Vintage-style baskets are a must-have for rustic Easter decor. Instead of plastic baskets, look for woven or wicker baskets that bring natural texture. Fill them with moss, pastel eggs, or small floral arrangements. These baskets can be placed on tables, shelves, or kitchen counters to add a gentle Easter touch throughout your home without spending much money. Decorated Easter eggs do not need to be bright or shiny to look beautiful. For a rustic style, consider using neutral colors like beige, soft brown, cream, or muted pastels. You can even wrap eggs with twine, lace, or burlap. Placing these eggs in wooden bowls or small nests creates a charming display that feels simple, natural, and perfectly suited to rustic decor. A rustic Easter table can look stunning with just a few inexpensive materials. Burlap runners combined with delicate lace create the perfect balance of rough and soft textures. Add a few candles, small floral arrangements, and scattered decorative eggs across the table. This combination instantly transforms your dining space into a cozy spring setting that looks elegant yet effortless. Bunnies are one of the most iconic Easter symbols, and rustic bunny decorations can easily enhance your seasonal display. Look for wooden bunny cutouts, ceramic figures, or handmade fabric bunnies. Even simple silhouettes placed on shelves or tables can bring a playful and charming Easter spirit while maintaining the rustic aesthetic of your home. Nothing captures the feeling of spring like fresh greenery. Branches, eucalyptus, ferns, or simple leafy stems can add life to your Easter decorations. Place greenery inside vases, baskets, or jars to create a natural and refreshing look. This type of decoration is not only beautiful but also affordable, especially if you gather greenery from your own garden. Rustic wooden signs are another simple way to decorate for Easter on a budget. A small sign with phrases like Happy Easter, Hello Spring, or He is Risen can instantly brighten your space. You can make one yourself using reclaimed wood and paint, or repurpose an old board to create a handmade piece that feels warm and meaningful. If your home has a fireplace mantle, it can become a perfect focal point for rustic Easter decorations. Arrange a garland of greenery across the mantle and add a few vintage items like lanterns, wooden eggs, or ceramic rabbits. Layering decorations of different heights creates visual interest while keeping the overall style simple and relaxed. Lanterns add a cozy glow to rustic decor and work beautifully for Easter displays. Place candles or fairy lights inside metal or wooden lanterns and surround them with small nests or greenery. The soft lighting creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere that feels perfect for spring evenings and Easter gatherings. Rustic Easter decor often looks best when using soft and neutral color palettes. Shades like cream, beige, soft gray, dusty pink, and pale green create a calm and elegant look. These colors blend beautifully with natural materials like wood, linen, and wicker, allowing the decorations to feel timeless rather than overly bright or overwhelming. handmade Easter garland can add charm to any space in your home. Use twine and attach small decorations like paper eggs, mini burlap carrots, or wooden bunny shapes. Hang the garland across a mantle, window, or shelf. This affordable decoration adds a festive touch while keeping the rustic style intact. Even the kitchen can reflect the beauty of rustic Easter decor. Place a small basket of eggs on the counter, add a vase of fresh flowers near the sink, or display wooden utensils in a vintage crock. These subtle decorations help extend the Easter theme throughout your home without requiring elaborate or expensive setups. Your entryway is the first place guests see, making it a great spot for rustic Easter decorations. A small table with a wicker basket, a vase of spring flowers, and a wooden bunny figurine can create a charming welcome. These simple details instantly set the tone for a cozy and beautifully decorated home. One of the secrets to beautiful rustic decorating is layering textures. Combine wood, burlap, linen, wicker, and soft fabrics to create visual depth. Even a simple arrangement becomes more interesting when different textures are present. This approach helps your Easter decorations look thoughtfully styled without needing expensive pieces. The heart of rustic decor lies in authenticity and personality. Handmade decorations, thrifted items, and repurposed materials all add character to your home. Instead of focusing on perfect store-bought pieces, embrace imperfections and creativity. These personal touches often become the most beautiful and memorable parts of your Easter decorations. Budget-friendly rustic Easter decor proves that you do not need expensive decorations to create a stunning spring home. By using natural materials, repurposed items, and simple DIY projects, you can design a warm and inviting space filled with Easter charm. With creativity and a love for rustic style, your home can celebrate the season beautifully while staying cozy, meaningful, and affordable.